two-step going on.
We're preparing the car for a tune. We have to. This is a GTI 12 valve vr6. We're going to be tuning this over Ryan's. So we will see. We don't have check engine light yet. No, he's gonna delete all the emissions. But we have installed the MagnaFlow catback. I don't know if you see it. No light, not enough light. But anyway, and that's a full catback, and we want to see how it sounds. So I got the cable ready. We got the ignition switch open, and my buddy is connected to the computer, so he's gonna start to download the program over Wi-Fi. This is pretty cool. And he's starting. He's moving the computer right now. And you can see the mouse right in this corner. Yep, he's doing that. 2.8 12 valve. Identifying the ECU. Okay, he's working on that thing. We're gonna go back here. He's doing all that. He's downloading the file from his archivos or archive, whatever, folders, and then downloading over Wi-Fi to the MPPS program. And he started a process already. Look, it's downloading. It's 19 seconds since he already started, so we want to see how this performs. This is pretty cool. PayPal, and then if you have the computer and the cable, you can buy the program and he can tune your car over Wi-Fi to your house. Like, he don't have to go, or you don't have to go to his house. You can just message him and give him access to your computer so he can download the file and do this thing. This is pretty cool. We will see how the exhaust sound. Look, those 4 eyes. So he already got those files done. It took like 5 minutes, and he asking me about the key when I turn the key off. So I'm gonna let him know. Well, we had the car already running. It's tuned just a few minutes ago. You know, it's tuned. It's like it's running. So we can't wait to test the two-step, but since it's like late, we're gonna have to go on the street, see if we can do it, because I cannot do it here in my house. So I gotta do it on somewhere on back roads or something. Well, I'm here with my son, and I just tried the rolling two-step real quick. He's right here, you can't see it, but wow, he got scared. This thing has the loudest two-step I ever heard or whatever. Wow, this is so loud. Let me see if I can try a little. Wow, I can see the flames on the reflection. I can see the flames on the reflection. You gotta go in the back and record it, but you have to put something on your ears. Wow, you scared? Oh, wow, this thing is loud. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go on the road, on the back roads. All right, stay tuned, guys. Well, guys, I've been driving this thing, and wow, it's awesome. The power, I feel the power like instantly. I feel the power on the throttle. The throttle has so much response. That's pretty cool. I can't believe how how good this thing feels. Like, I drove it before, and it wasn't that great. It was I mean, not responding. The throttle has to floor it in order to feel something. I mean, this thing is reviving. It's alive. Wow. And the two-step, man, I love it. And I can do a rolling two-step right now. Look, I'm doing 50, and I can do a rolling two-step. You guys can see. Oh wow, that's pretty awesome. People think that we are fighting something, fighting some guns, but no, we are not. It's just an exhaust. But it's pretty cool. And I got my son here, but man, we don't have no lights in here. But yeah, guys, you gotta call Ryan Horn and have him tune your car. I mean, he's on Instagram, Euro Customs. You can call him, message him on Euro Custom or on Messenger on Facebook. You know, Ryan Horn. This is pretty cool guy. Please check him out. And yeah, I love it. He always do it for me, so I don't see why it doesn't do it for you. All right, guys, stay tuned. We are here trying to do the two-step. My son will try to do it for me, so I'm gonna be back here recording it, and my son will try to do it. So remember, put the clutch and 3500. Go. Okay, we good. I got him on video. Okay, we got a car right here. So we gotta go. Oh, that was pretty cool. Alright, stay tuned guys. We can't stop with this thing. It's late, it's 9, and people are, you know, sleeping, and I'm doing this, but wow, I can't stop. Check the rolling two-step. I'm doing 35. People are sleeping. Okay, no, I gotta go back. I gotta go back home and try this on the daytime. All right, guys, stay tuned for this. Okay, bye. Let's see if I can record a video of the sound of the cat back. We're also gonna try the two-step a little. Okay, so we got the two-step right now. I think you guys can see what's going on. Maybe it burned my grass. Wow, this thing is loud. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.